There are some new exciting features coming to the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and it is confirmed by promotional images of Galaxy Z Flip 5. There will be two things I want to share with you, and the second one is more of a surprise for you, which we didn't see on dummy images of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Samsung is going big with the Flip 5 cover display, which comes with the 3.4 inches folder design. And this is the promotional image of Galaxy Z Flip 5. At first, it looks normal, but when you notice, it is much more than that. As we can see, what we are going to get on the cover display, where you can type a message with a complete keyboard layout on the cover display. Also, there is a wallet app with a flight booking pass, a new weather app, call history, a new time and battery widget with a custom image. It seems like Flip 5 cover display is much more than just a bigger size, where these are more of a built-in apps, but according to the source, Samsung collabed with Google to give support for all Google apps on external display, which includes using Google Maps on external display and watching videos on YouTube on external display. So if you are getting Z Flip 5, you can use almost all apps on external display, obviously the supported ones. Samsung is also offering a new customized version of an app drawer on a cover display. If you are among these 15,000 people who watched my content in the last 28 days, then a subscribe to the channel will be amazing. Remember Galaxy Z Flip 5 dummy where everyone was confused? What they say is Galaxy Z Flip 5 is going to come with a gap between the hinge, and at that time I told it was fake, and I was right about it. Look at these. These are the images of Galaxy Z Flip 5, more of an official images of Galaxy Z Flip 5, which tells the story. Flip 5 is going to come with a new water drop hinge, which makes the Flip 5 a complete flat folded design with the no gap. So take a chill as the new hinge is coming to the Flip 5. Also, we have the new cases for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. A transparent case shows what we are going to get, a bigger display, and a new camera layout. Fun fact, did you guys know that Galaxy Z Flip 5 one side will be all black and the other side will come with color? That is completely opposite what we have seen on dummies of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Z Flip 5 will be the best flip phone, or I would say most selling flip phone from Samsung, and if you want one, then you should reserve the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and get $50 Samsung credit. There are a couple of more priority deals coming which you can check on the launch day. If you guys want to see the new camera features of Galaxy Z Flip 5, then make sure to watch this video, and by this time I hope everyone subscribed. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.